Hey everyone, welcome back to Gipsy's Kitchen Delights. Today's recipe is a quick and easy breakfast recipe. Nothing beats fluffy blueberry pancakes. These are super delicious and you get blueberries in every bite. So let me show you how to make it. Start by combining the dry ingredients together. So in a mixing bowl, add in 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix this till everything is combined. And make a small well in the middle to add the wet ingredients. Now pour in 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 egg, and 3/4 cup of cold milk. Whisk the wet ingredients first and then combine it with the dry ingredients. Whisk till everything is well combined. You will still have little lumps in the batter and that's perfectly fine. Now add in ½ cup of blueberries into the batter. And by using a small spoon or spatula, mix the blueberries into the batter. Let this batter rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Place the pan on medium heat and melt a little butter in the pan. Use a ladle to pour the pancake batter into the pan. Cook this side till bubbles form on the top and the sides are set. Flip the pancakes and cook until golden brown. And continue cooking the remaining batter. These pancakes are super soft and fluffy, and you can serve this with your favorite pancake syrup or your choice of toppings. If you enjoyed watching this blueberry pancake recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And don't forget to check out my previous recipes, and I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!